Here's the big news. Old Pro Golf's iconic castle is set to close, but the mini golf course will stay open. Let's break it down. The historic castle structure on 28th Street in Ocean City will shut down on October 14, 2025. But the entire miniature golf experience remains intact. This means visitors can still conquer courses themed around medieval adventures, knights, and quests, even as the castle itself disappears. But here's where it gets interesting. A brand new secret attraction is on the horizon to replace the castle. While details are under wraps, the team promises it'll be as exciting and memorable as the old one. We're replacing the structure with something as iconic and fun, but it will remain a secret for now, Old Pro Golf shared, teasing what's next. This isn't just a closure, it's a transformation. Founded in 1965 by Herbert J. and Eileen Deany Scholkopf, Old Pro Golf has been a staple in Ocean City for decades, offering themed courses that blend history with humor. From 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. on weekdays and until 11 p.m. on weekends, the mini golf course remains open, inviting players to enjoy their final adventure before the castle leaves. And this is the part most people miss. The castle wasn't just a building. It was the heart of the experience. Until October 14, 2025, loyal knights, queens, and mini golf warriors can still conquer the castle one last time. What comes next? Will the new attraction live up to the castle's legacy? We'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think the secret surprise will be? Old Pro Golf, https://oldprogolf.com, operates 4 locations and 6 courses across the resort town, each designed with elaborate themes. If you have tips or story ideas, reach out to Olivia Manzola at @amanzola@delmarvanow.com.